In East Africa, Ethiopia's Hawassa Industrial Park currently employs about 18,000 people right now. Most of the workers are in the textile and garment producing park, and most of them are women. They've used this opportunity to transform their lives. CGTN's Girum Chala spent today with one of the employees who filed this report.
It is 6 in the morning here at Hawassa City. Gannet Getachew just woke up and is dressing up to prepare for the day. She's one of the many whose daily morning routine is similar and finally takes them to their jobs at Hawassa's Industrial Park. She's now ready for her busy but full of experience day at the park. To get to work, Gannet takes a tuk-tuk, locally known as Bajaj, a three-wheeled vehicle for a short-distance transportation. The park provides its employees a transportation service, but just to get to work early, she prefers to use the Bajaj. After 7 minutes, she is now at work. Gannet, a 21-year-old graduate of one of the local universities here in Ethiopia, is a line supervisor at this Sri Lanka-based garment factory. Right after uni, the first and most reliable source of employment for her came from this factory.
I joined this factory right after my graduation in 2009, Ethiopian calendar. The first job I was hired to do was in the cutting department, but gradually I have achieved a better status in the factory. My employers liked my attachment with the environment here and decided to promote me, and here I am.
The company she is working for, Hydramani Garments, is one of the oldest in the market in the world. It has got more than 44 factories all across the world, including this one here at Hawassa Industrial Park. Gannet says working here has given her a lot of experience, also has changed her life for the better.
The most important thing here is being able to provide for yourself and never remain dependent on your family. You even manage to provide for your parents. The other thing for me is I have been trained to take responsibilities. That is a great skill, I should say. I can now manage any amount of people working here. Even as a woman, that helps me to advance better. I'm stronger than ever in my life to face any assignment.
Hydramani Garments PLC Ethiopia CEO Bimsara Senevratne says his factory is not only a place of work for the over 2,000 employees here, but also a center of training and excellence.
We have the training center, the grading center in the park. So through that only we get the staff recruited. And then we have our own internal training process where the HR is conducting. And also we have tied up with ILO in terms of different types of trainings, in terms of leadership and in terms of their well-being, the soft skills. So all that is also a part of the training package. But when you employ staff, we actually take them through a 45-day training period. In-house, we have a separate training center for all the recruitments that we do for operations.
A year on the job, Gannet already is inspired for more success in her career. She believes this Hawassa Industrial Park has all that it takes to hit her life targets. This is, however, without forgetting the challenge of not enough salary and shortage of better accommodation.
I would like to continue with my current job that I have, but my dream is to lead this very company from the top. I cannot say this will be a walk in the park, but I believe delivering where I am right now will easily get me to my dream. Till then, I will remain focused and deliver for my factory.
That is simply a story of the over 18,000 employees working in one of Ethiopia's outstanding industrial parks. Many have found their dream jobs here and have got opportunities of overseas education and training. Industrial parks in the country have also strong bond with their respective communities, ranging from hiring locals to involving on works of development benefiting communities. Group Dara CGTN, Addis Ababa.
የኔ ሀገር ያንተ ሀገር ያንቺ ሀገር የእርሷ ሀገር ሸጋና ኢትዮጵያ ዝና